So let's just worship Him this morning.
Like a mighty ocean, winds are gone. Like a mighty ocean, winds are gone. With enemies surround us, rising on the ground, break into pieces. Rolling down. Voices like the thunder rolling through the air. He's the Lion of Judah, breaking out the fear of man. He rejoices over us. He rejoices over us. Yeah. We're dancing now, no enemy will ever shake us. We're dancing now, upon the rock of revelation. We're dancing now, no enemy could ever shake us. We're dancing now, upon the rock of revelation. We're dancing now, no enemy could ever shake us. We're dancing now.